everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to bold single words in Canva. To start, go to the Text tab on the left side of your screen, add a heading or any text box. Then, type what you want to bold text. Once you have your text selected, navigate to the Fonts tab. You can choose any font from the options available. To bold a specific word, you can then either click the bold button in the top menu, or go to the font panel to select the font style you want for that word. Remember, you cannot change the font for just one word. If you have multiple fonts in the text box, it will apply the change to the entire text. If you want to use a different font for a specific word, consider creating a separate text box for that word. This way, you can have different fonts for different parts of your design. That's how you can easily bold a single word in Canva. Have fun designing!